Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This video we have a purchase I made on the Facebook UK Star Wars Unlimited buy trade sale group. There's a load of them out there. This seems to be the biggest one that I do a lot of my purchasing on, but we have picked up, this isn't all of them, but I picked up 17 Shadows of the Galaxy weekly can't say that word, can I? Weekly play 3-card boosters. So there's 9 here that we're going to open in this video, as well as have a look at the trade, the purchase I did, which was for Clone from Twilight. So this brings my total cards needed down to 3, being the Invasion of Christophsis, Darth Maul, and Chancellor Palpatine. So I am very, very close to finishing off Twilight of the Republic, just in time for the new set coming out in a few weeks, literally a few weeks' time. We've got the pre-release in a couple of weeks, and then the following week the main set comes out. I have pre-ordered a couple of packs only of the Carbonite, so I'm looking forward to opening the new set and getting into it. And if you want to see how I get on with those pulls, feel free to hit the subscribe button. It'll be around about here at the end of the video, or it's down below if you're watching it on a desktop. And don't forget to tick the bell icon. It will let you know when I upload. And yeah, let's get into it. So we've got 9 packs of these today. I have had a look through the cards that are available in these, and I don't think there's anything that I'm really searching for. I think the ones that the cards I want are things like the Yoda from Spark of Republic, or Spark of Republic? Spark of Rebellion. Spark of Rebellion, the first set. But let's see what we get. So we've got Weequay Pirate Gang, Gideon's Light Cruiser, and Memphis Nest. So I think you do get a rare in each pack. It's a nice card with the border. So that's very, very nice indeed. So we'll see. I do like a lot of the cards that are in these packs. I do like the Memphis Nest quite a lot. So I'm very, very pleased that I got that. I'd quite like a hyperspace version of it, because I do know there are a number of hyperspace cards in this pack. I think a lot of it is the starter cards. So we have Incinerator Trooper, hyperspace, the Mandalorian's Rifle. That's a nice card in hyperspace, isn't it? And Jango Fett as the rare. Very, very nice indeed. There we go. So if anyone does want pretty much any of these cards, drop a comment below, or you can drop me an email, starwarsyoupod@gmail.com, and we can sort out a trade. I do know someone, first duplicate. So those two are duplicates. IG11 with the border, very nice indeed. So I have been in communication with Arts recently, who is based over in America, and I know he is collecting hyperspace stuff. So Art, when you watch this, if you see anything you like, I will check the list you've sent me previously. But we can sort something out. Razor Crest, that is a beautiful hyperspace card. Look at that. Look at that. Calculated Lethality and Relentless Pursuit. I think the only card really that I'm looking for here is the Grogu. But you know what? I can't even remember if I've bought it recently. I might well have bought it. I think you can get the hyperspace, and I think the other one, the other version is the yellow edging, which I don't know if that comes in these packs or if that's a tournament, but we will see. Well, there you go. Speaking of, there's Grogu hyperspace. Very, very nice indeed. After his little control ball. Night Owl Skirmisher. And Remnant Reserves. That is a pretty cool card. The border on that looks slightly different from things like the Weequay Pirate Gang. So let's have a look at these side by side. Yeah, definitely a little bit different there, isn't it? There's a lot more green on the pirate gang there. So on to the next pack. Again, if you like the content you're seeing, this is the first time I've ever opened one of these packs. So huge shout out for the deal on that one. It was very much appreciated. Oh, ooh, a foil Millennium Falcon. That is gorgeous. That is really nice, isn't it? The foiling on it is spectacular. So I'm going to put that one up there as well. So yeah, I picked this up from a guy called Martin Lewis on the Facebook group. He was selling a bunch of them. He did do me a bit of a deal because I picked up the rest of the Shadows of the Galaxy packs. Razor Crest, Incinerator Trooper, and Cloud Rider. Again, the foiling on these is very, very different, and I'm not sad about it in the slightest. They are gorgeous cards. Yeah, really great guy, and been a pleasure to chat to him and put together this deal. And yeah, it was really recommend him as a seller. I am not doing well on this pack, am I? Really recommend Martin as a seller. He's a really good guy, and as I say, really nice to deal with. Another Grogu, Phase 3 Dark Trooper, and another Jango Fett. That is a cool card. That is a really nice card, that Hyperspace. So I'll pop the Grogu to one side. Deciding to do a little dance. Let's not do that, Grogu. And final pack. Can we get last pack magic on this? Maybe another foil. That'd be nice. I know there aren't legendaries or showcases in these, but just thought it'd be something a bit different. Calculated Lethality, Night Out Skirmisher, and another Jango Fett. So very nice indeed. So we've got some rares in here, which yeah, outside of the Grogu and maybe the foils, which I might look to move on anyway, we have a lot of cards here which won't be going into my personal collection just because it's not what I collect. Just thought it'd be interesting to open them on camera and see what's in them. And so if anyone wants anything, then yeah, drop a comment below, get in contact with the channel. All the links are in all of the descriptions on the various ways. You can contact me on X, you can contact me by email. But yeah, that's kind of it. Let's have a look at these foil cards. Falcon and Cloud Rider, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I'll get those sleeved up. I'll get the rares sleeved up as well, and the Hyperspace. I'll probably sleeve everything, to be honest. I generally tend to do that on things that I'm looking at moving on, that wouldn't be considered bulk anyway. But yeah, so hit the subscribe button. It'll be up here around here. If you want to see other things from Shadows of the Galaxy, Shadows of the Galaxy, it'll be around about here, and another video will be here as well. So until next time, may the Force be with you always.